friends, welcome to Brainy Brothers. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a long car. But we have not kept a name for it. But we are going to name it the cute long car. Yeah, that's right. You can even open and close the sunroof. That will show you at the end of the video how to do it. Come on friends, let's get started in building the long car by using Lego 10696. First, the front part which give light in the darkness. Come on friends, let's get started. And the engine. You'll need this piece, this piece, this piece and this piece, and these pieces, and these pieces, and these two, and the wheels, and the lights. You'll need lights, of course. First we'll need the blue bricks and another blue bricks which is same to it. And fix it top. There may be some irregularities, but you can fix it properly by keeping it. See friends, you have to fix the irregularities so that the pieces will perfectly fit in its place. Now take the blue plain piece and fix it here. And the green piece and fix it back of the blue piece. I think there is even red color in 10696, so you can fix even red color if you want. Now time for making the wheels. And the lights. Now fix the yellow color part. Now take this piece again and fix this piece on here. See, like this friends. Now fix the wheels. Now fix that onto the engine we have made. Sorry friends, there was a mistake. I have to fix the blue part on top of the single pieces and the green part to the first fluorescent colored brick. Your engine and the lights are ready to go. Next, we are going to make the window in which you can see and drive the long car. These are the parts required for making the window through which you can see and drive the car. This is the first part you will need, and then the transparent glasses. Fix it at the last part of the 4x4 piece. And now take the pieces which we are taking and fix them in the right place as we show. Friends, please fix this part loose but not too loose. If it's too loose, the part will fly off when you ride this car, right? So fix this part loose so that you can open and close the sunroof easily. Now take this part again and fix the square part which you made the sunroof upon it. Now the part is ready. Now you can open your sunroof and see through it and see the cars through it the window and drive the cars. Now let's get into the next part. Friends, now it's time for making the middle part in which you can sit and take a ride in this car. This is the part which you can sit and take a ride. Now let's get into the making of this part. First, the brown color bricks. These are the parts. Now we are going to show you the parts. First, this part, and then the transparent bricks. You'll need 6 transparent bricks and 2 of these bricks and one 4x6 plate and a long brick. You'll need 2 bricks of this type and a 4x4 plate and 1 brick of this type and this one. Oh, I'll get you a clear view. This one and this one. These are the parts required for making the body of the long car. Take the navy color piece and then the green color transparent, fix it on both sides and the yellow on both sides and the brown on both sides. And now the square piece and the brown color piece and reverse the block which we made just now and fix this piece like this and then fix this one here and take this piece and fix it here and this piece here and this piece here. Yeah, now the middle part is ready. First take this base plate and fix this part here and now take this part and fix it here and then this part and here. Now take this one and fix it on top of the blue one. And now take this brick and this brick here and another brick here. And now take this part and fix it over here and this part over here and this part over here, this part on top on here, this part over here again. Now fix the wheels. Now fix this here. See friends, your back part is also over. Now only thing remaining is to join all the parts. Now let's bring all the parts together. First take this part. Friends, I think you remember this is the first part. And then this part. And now the big part and the back part. Boom! Yay! Come on friends. This is the part of the engine, lights and the windows where you can see. Now the middle part. See friends. Now friends, this is going to be a little bit tough. Take this part and slide it into this so that the one piece should fix inside the green color square box. See friends. Now the back part. Here is some free space. So fix the back part onto there. Now your whole car is ready friends. So now you can drive. See. Now you can even open your sunroof. You can even open your sunroof friends. See friends, it's easy. Now your long car is ready. Yeah. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you friends.